One of the best blockchains is Ripple. Natives have always been produced by technologies. One of the most traded assets is XRP, cryptocurrency in the world, leaving millions of people questioning whether they should think about buying Ripple XRP. More cryptocurrencies, the virtual currency. In 2021, the market performed at its peak. After more than 10 years in an industry driven mostly by centralized financial systems, traders and investors continue to invest enormous sums of money in digital tokens in the hopes that their preferred coin will become the next golden goose. The success of Ripple XRP on exchanges has given rise to the trend issue. What would possibly occur if you invested $100 in Ripple? Let's say you put $100 into XRP today. Dollars in today's XRP, Ripple, and this virtual currency gets more valuable because some long-term investors believe that the cryptocurrency. If this raises your initial investment to $550, you have a chance to earn a profit of $450. This is a return on investment for a XRP is a cryptocurrency, hence real money will be financed. Investors are likely to lose money if they lose faith in the cryptocurrency trading asset and execute a sell-off that drives the coin's price down below $30 with the same investment. No matter what occurs in your trading and investment career with Ripple and cryptocurrencies, the only method to calculate profit or loss is through sales of $70. Depending on the use case, the price of every commodity determines its value. Due to the rarity and popularity of the financial system, which has preserved its fundamental architecture for more than 40 years and eternity, the current technology improvements require that the entire setup be deleted. Where may Ripple XRP be utilized? Is relevant to the present banking. Infrastructure uses the agent banking system to make payments using pre-funded Nostro-Vostro accounts. When all banks are connected, the first step is to connect them to Xcurrent. They can change their payment method to XRP. It would be best if you let go of any preconceived notions you may have about market capitalization, because that term is misleading simply because a coin or token has a cap of $100 billion. Does not imply that a lot of cash has been invested. Which is a straightforward computation. That is absurd, perplexing, and illogical. It is clear and simple to observe that the coin or token has a value of X, and that is all there is to it. For instance, the UK does not use all of the sterling in circulation to determine the Bank of England's net interest rate. Simply said, it seems absurd to spend each cent or LBC, BTC, ADB, and XRP are all the same. Each token has the same number of Satoshi. By applying this reasoning, we can see that each component is capable of progressing to any level, and by any level, I mean there are numerous stages to be taken. But there is one inconvenience when exchanging in Satoshi increments for $10 or $10,000. As Bitcoin's value increases, so does the cost of each Satoshi, and as it does so, this will be erased once each coin or token is tied to a specific coin. Real value per coin or token is provided by USDT 10 and other currencies because they will eventually. Since the first day of 2021, Ripple XRP's price has exponentially increased. Because to the bullish return being observed by the present cryptocurrency market, you will make at least $50 profit over the short term and over a period of time. If you invest $100 in Ripple, you will ultimately save money. As of right moment, Ripple is still expanding. Notably, since its launch as a tradable coin on January 29, 2015, XRP has recovered 12,653.41%. Such gains have projects so far attracted investors who are convinced of the potential of the technology underlying cryptocurrencies. The market value of RP has increased to much above $35 billion. A daily trading volume of at least $1 billion gives us reason to assume that Ripple's value will increase even more as long as it continues to be supported. Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken, Huobi, Worldwide, Coinberry, Coinetero, GitHub, Xcurrency. CEX.com.io. Despite his long-standing relationship with the securities, Bitpanda changes Mandela's exchange and more in exchange for commission. Cryptocurrency valuations are still increasing. from collaborations with well-known financial technology, fintech, businesses. The most recent partnership was announced on Wednesday, October 20th, 2021, when the AI Ansari exchange used Ripple NetCloud to enable cross-border remittances to Malaysia using money. Ripple has over 100 partners who use its infrastructure, RippleNet, to process transactions promptly in a short period. Rashid Ansari, CEO of AI Ansari Exchange Al Ansari, spoke about the relationship and emphasized how blockchain technology has paved the door for improved, transparent ways to transmit money throughout the world in real time. Through our collaborations with Ripple and MoneyMatch, we're implementing this cloud-based technology in line with our aim to giving clients more flexible, quick, and secure money transfer options. For instance, partnerships are becoming more and more common as a remedy. The usage of XRP via Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) technology, which converts cryptocurrency into fiat money, to handle daily transactions, specialists believing that this digital token is a symbol of enormous value. By the end of 2023, Ripple XRP, according to experts in the making from wallet investors and FX leaders, might trade at an average price of $2.67. Based on price considerations including the Bitcoin increase, the price is projected to reach 4.61 cents by the end of 2024 and 5.66 in the first quarter of 2026. For certain businesses, the market perception is quite negative. Adoption of Ripple and a rise in long-term investor demand spending. If you invest $100 in Ripple XRP today, you might see returns of over 140% over the short term, 300% over the medium term, and 390% over the long term. Are you able to contribute $100? Let's look at what Ripple XRP can be used for. As XRP is a cryptocurrency trading asset, you can invest as little as $100 in it. If you choose to, it automatically adheres to Satoshi Nakamoto's principle of divisibility. If you keep your Ripple running for a while and it reaches new price peaks, you will join the group of investors who have become cryptocurrency millionaires, but think twice before you put your hard-earned money into Ripple XRP. You ought to be aware of the Ripple project. Includes, and using this information will help you make a confident and strong choice of cryptocurrency. The ability for the average Joe to spend XRP similarly to how they do with Apple payments will soon have an incentive. Apple has released iOS 11.1, which includes the necessary APIs to use RippleNet. Your XRP balance may be used by this phone wave. In order to pay now in the nation, Bitcoin is a ticking time bomb. 4 of the 5 buttons are in China. This year's largest mining pools are in China. After they finish mining all the Bitcoins you don't think, the ability for centralized mining leads to the inevitable doom of Bitcoin or any other mining coins. They'll carry on operating the miners. They're going to another room, you know that. Throughout the game, we'll continue to profit. Play is a business. The storm that will hit the world of digital currencies when mining ceases and transaction processing takes weeks is unimaginable. You need to have access to your money immediately, much like a 30-day savings account. Nevertheless, you are unable to access it as the value of your coins declines and your money disappears pound for pound. If there is a significant mining tragedy, operations have been put on hold in China. Similar thing happens if a work resolves an issue. If a coin is primarily used to hold money, it serves its intended purpose well even though it cannot be used for transactions. What is the purpose? When a new generation of coins and tokens emerges, Bitcoin is evolving. Will an army of digital financial systems, like as EOS, Ripple, Cardano, or Null, attack fiat? Heresy. The future is exciting. Consider joining the fray and digitizing part of your finances. Ripple has made great strides, and I think it will catch on with the general public. Ripple will become popular first, similar to how Apple did, and it will be an epic. The financial sector will soon adopt the Ripple product suite, which will either make or break the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. It's that easy. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Continue to be informed by clicking the